I have created my private local AI setup on my gaming laptop. And let me show you. When I open private AI.yovita.com, then my local LLM instance will be available to my team members to use. So this is like a white labeled branded setup you can do for your business as well. Thank you. So recently, I had a meeting with one of my client, a company with over 70 years in heavy equipment and manufacturing business, and they raised a major concern. A lot of their critical company data and process information, which isn't publicly available, is somehow accessible through public AI tools. The reason public free AI tools can use your data for their AI training. So, when your team members analyze documents or even just copy paste emails into these tools, that information is unknowingly used to train the AI. And that means this sensitive information, this invaluable knowledge can become available to the public and also even to your competitors as well. So, it's a huge risk. So, how do we solve this? The solution is by implementing a private and secure AI server for your business. We can create an airtight private setup that keeps your sensitive information locked down. We build this using open source tools to deliver a custom knowledge base, powerful automations, and advanced RAG or RAG capabilities, all strictly for your team within your infra. This secure approach is already benefiting demanding sectors like manufacturing, healthcare, finance, legal, and government organizations, which absolutely require their data to stay private. So this is the quick overview on the technology architecture. So basically our system is consists of three main parts. Like first would be our main application server or AI server, that application. Then the second part would be our automation processes. And the third would be our AI models, which are hosted either on cloud or our local machine. So preferred choice for setting up your private AI is right now, there are two tools which are prominently in the market, and those are open source. And those tools are Anything LLM and Open Web UI. So both tools are having some pros and cons. Out of those, Anything LLM has the robust list of features, and as well as it can be white labeled, and it has very detailed documentation on setting up your local server. So basically what this app server will do, so it will provide you the front end for managing the LLMs. It will create your private AI portal for your company, like privateai.mybusiness.com, or you can name it anything. You can manage multiple AI models within the system. You can also connect to cloud AI models as well, like ChatGPT or any other model on any other cloud provider. And also you can manage local models as well. You can create the workspaces for your teams based on their department or functions. You can create the custom chat agents and create the custom workflows. You can also upload your documents and train the AI on your own company data. And overall users, roles, and permission management is taken care by this app server, AI server, like Anything LLM or OpenWeb. Then the second part is about managing the automation workflows, because not all the features are available within the agent. Agent needs some automation workflows to run to get the relevant data from your ERPs or other services. So for that, our preferred choice is Anytime. So there you can create your custom workflows and integration to get relevant data to our LLM. And the third part is LM Studio. So LM Studio is a well-known tool for managing the AI models locally. You can use vast array of open source models. You can download it, install it, and run it within your own infra and server. And those models will be accessible to your Anything LLM server. Along with that, we also need some vector databases, which are primarily used for training your own knowledge base or documents. And for those, prominent choices are LaunchDB and Quadrant. So this is just a quick overview of a technology architecture. So this is the quick overview on cost estimates. So our system is consist of primarily two parts. One is our application server, which is having our Anything LLM tool running, and the second would be our AI model or compute server. So on premise or within self-hosting environment, we can have both installed on the same machine. So that machine would be having the latest or the at least 16 core CPU, at least 128 GB of RAM, and a basic graphics card, if RTX 4090 or A100. So that is the minimum setup is required to efficiently running your local AI server. And the hardware cost will be vary. It will go as low as 3-4 lakhs to can go up to 8 to 9 lakhs based on your requirement, number of users simultaneously using this. And also there is a one-time setup cost required for that, and there is a monthly operations for maintenance cost. So that would be depend obviously based on your uses. The second option would be the setting up our infrastructure in the cloud, like using Google Cloud, Azure, or AWS. So there you can say set up the same VM within the cloud, and also you can use the enterprise APIs or enterprise AI models providers like Azure Foundry for open AI models and all. So all your infra will be privately hosted, but it's on the cloud. So it will be having some monthly charges for model uses as well as your infrastructure as well. So this is the quick overview of the cost estimates. I have created my private local AI setup on my gaming laptop. Let me show it to you. So this is my normal gaming laptop, and I have installed all the required tools which we have discussed in the video. So this is the Anything LLM setup which is running in Docker, and it's running on port localhost 3001. So as you can see, it's running locally. My machine is ready. My private AI is ready. And you may be wondering how my team member will access this, right? So I have created a network tunnel for public internet by using Cloudflare tunnel. So when I open private ai.yohita.com, then my local LLM instance will be available to my team members to use. So this is like a white labeled branded setup you can do for your business as well. Thank you. So let me. So this is my private AI instance which I have set up. So everything is customizable, and this can be white labeled with company logos and titles of the system. So once I log into the system, everything is configurable. I can create my workspace for my team. Like I have my sales team, I can create a separate workspace and agents for them, like sales. These are workloads. I can also upload my own documents to be trained, and I can also manage those documents per workspaces like this. Then in the settings, I can configure my AI providers like LLM. Here I can use the OpenRide router, or I can use the vast majority of AI providers from here, like OpenAI, Azure OpenAI for enterprise. I can use the Gemini, Olama, and also I can connect my local models with the LM Studio, right? So these are the multiple options available over here. I can simply enter my key and those will be available. Then I can also configure my vector database. Right now it's using the last DB, but I can also use PG vector or Pinecone or Quadrant. So those configuration settings are available over here. I can also configure my embedder. So embedder is required to train the AI models based on your documents. So that's embedding. You can use the built-in embedding available with this tool, or also use the other models for embedding purpose as well. So these are the settings related to voice and speech, AI providers, text splitter. So it is configurable. Then these are some admin settings. Here you can manage your company users. You can create the users. You can create the workspaces. You can also keep track of the workspace chat. So you can also see what's happening within your workspaces, what your team members are chatting with the AI. That whole log is available over here. Then you can also train your custom agents, so like this for RHEL long-term memory. You can also summarize the documents, generate charts, do the web search, uh, scrape the websites. You can also add your custom skills over here, and you can also connect the innate and automation workflows to improve these custom skills. You can create the customized agent flows. You can also connect your MCP servers here as well. In this customization, you can set your branding. overall. So you can set your logo, company name, custom message. You can set your company emails, support emails, company websites, and configure everything to make it your own company's AI tool. So you can, there's also one interesting feature here as well. So you can create a chat embed widget over here, and this widget you can add to your websites. So just like the intercom or help desk widget you add on the website, so that can be created and added from here as well, so that you can also train this widget with your FAQs and your own data. And on top of that, you can connect or configure or manage these tools with the developer API. So this is the quick overview of this tool. So thank you for watching the video. Let me know if you have any queries, and we can also do one live setup on Azure cloud environment as well. So thank you.